As a homeowner, you know how important your air conditioning system is to your family's health and comfort. But will your AC work when you need it the most? Hi, this is Jane with Heating Troubleshooting and Air Conditioning. We service and repair all makes and models of air conditioning and heating central systems. At Season Control Heating and Air Conditioning, your AC unit is ready for the heat with our full 40-point inspection of your heating and air conditioning system for just $95. Our highly qualified professional service people are all background checked, licensed, bonded, and insured. Season Control Heating and Air Conditioning specializes in equipment replacements and all new energy efficient air conditioning and heating systems installations. We get the job done right the first time, clean up after we're done, and make sure that you're completely satisfied with the whole process. We also offer same-day service in most cases, 7 days a week, and for only $95, you will get the air conditioning peace of mind you deserve. Don't wait until it's too late. Season Control will provide quality service and installation. All work is guaranteed and covered by warranty. Take advantage of our full 40-point inspection of your heating and air conditioning system for just $95. Free service call with repair. Call us today and speak to one of our live operators 24/7. 1-888-991-9179 or click the link below.